In this episode, I have this Brittany Blue 2022 Mustang GT500 Heritage Edition in for an exterior detail and ceramic coating. It was acquired by the owner shortly before this video, and his son wanted to have it ceramic coated as a Father's Day gift. The car was kept in climate-controlled storage and well maintained. When the car arrived, it was already very clean and just needed a quick wash and polish to get it prepped for the coating. I start with a pre-rinse and APC bath to start breaking down any surface dirt and dust before moving on to the contact wash. The APC was left to dwell for a few minutes before rinsing away. The wheels were washed using APC and an assortment of wheel brushes. Once the wheels were clean, they were protected using DIY quick beads to provide a layer of protection. This car is not used frequently, so I expect the layer of quick beads to last between 6 months and a year. The spray on and rinse off application makes this product super easy to reapply when needed. Once the wheels were cleaned, I moved on to the contact wash using DIY rinseless and the Legacy sponge. I decided to do a rinseless wash because I was not sure if a clay step was needed, and I would typically use a decontamination towel immediately after washing a panel with rinseless to save on time. The paint ended up being contaminant free, so claying was not necessary. I gave the interior a quick touch up since there was a little dirt and dust. All interior panels and seats were wiped down using a rinseless dampened microfiber towel to remove any body oils and dust. I decided to apply a layer of interior ceramic to the seats and steering wheel to keep those areas protected. The paint on this GT500 was almost perfect and just needed a light polish to remove any existing protection that remained and to enhance the gloss levels. I used DIY gold standard polish and waffle pad on a rotary polisher. This combination and using no pressure with low speed gave me the results I was looking for. The windshield was also polished in preparation for a glass-transparency glass coating. The intricate areas such as the hood vents and around the rear spoiler were polished using a DIY gold standard pad on the Flex PXE80 in dual action mode. The polished residue was removed using a rinseless damp and microfiber towel. The rinseless makes this step safer by adding lubrication and helps dissolve stubborn polish that may take more pressure to remove. Transparency panel prep was used to remove any remaining polishing oils and prep the paint to accept the coating. For this car, I decided to go with DIY Detail 5-year ceramic coating. This produces the highest gloss of any of the DIY coatings and will provide 5 years of protection. Where this vehicle is not daily driven and is garage kept, I expect this coating to last well beyond the estimated 5 years. This coating was used on all painted surfaces, plastic trim pieces like the side skirts, window cowling, and front lip, as well as the window trim. This was my first time using any of the DIY detail coatings, and this was by far the easiest coating I've ever used. There was ample amount of working time to allow me to coat both sides of the roof before having to go back to level the coating. The leveling process was incredibly easy and the surface was super slick once leveled.